Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video of Snagging Bass. Today we're here at the beaver pond. We're just going to do a little fishing today, try to get that summer topwater bite if we can. I'm going to tie on a plopper or something like that, some kind of walking bait, and then I got the rig rigged up. So anyways, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and let's get right into the video. Okay, I think today I want to start off with the wacky rig. So I got just a little normal hook for a wacky rig, and I want to put a lunker log on there. But yeah, I hope y'all are doing good today. I am trying to get to 100 subs right now. That's the goal for me right now. Turn this down. So there we go. So yeah, if you will, just hit that like button and subscribe for me. Helps me out a lot, and it's free to do. I mean, you can unsubscribe later if you want, but why would you? I mean, I want to be posting fire content all the time, and yeah. But how about for right now, we just try to get this wacky worm on here. That looks pretty good to me. Alright, let's get her out there. Ooh. I want to swap the handle real quick, because I have been using it on the left side on most of my spinning reels, so let's try to get up here and I'll snag a bass. The water is up really a lot right now, so it's a little hard to fish. I'm not gonna lie. I need to bring the boat out here. Let's go. That's a decent little fish. Oh no, not really. First fish of the day. I'm surprised it's this little. No, but it ain't nothing like getting the skunk off the boat. I'll say he swallowed that thing. Goodness. Wow, I didn't even know I had my camera down the whole time. Y'all probably didn't even see that rod action. But it's like he just took that thing. Alright, just got him unhooked. So I want to get a little picture of Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, if you haven't already, go follow me on them too. Alright, let's get a little release on this little guy. And yeah, get him on his way. Oh, he's ready. You ready? Yeah. There he goes. Alright, I mean, I was about to give up on the wacky worm, I'm not gonna lie. But it did come through, so. That's a fish. That's a fish. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's a good one. There we go. we're gonna keep him. There we go. That's like a 2-pounder on the wacky worm. Let's go, y'all. I felt a thump on there, and I'm like, I don't think that's a fish. Oh. That's a deep. Ooh, mercy. He's got a little stomach to him. So, what I want to do is, I want to fill this bucket up real quick. I want to put him in there and put the aerator on. So, I'll catch y'all in just a second. Okay, he's a feisty little guy. So, I want to relocate him over here, but I'm just showing you. He's a nice little 2-pounder-ish. But he's got some shoulders on him. But, anyways, let's try to keep on fishing. Look at him. He's ready to get a message down this pond, but we got a little bit more fishing to do. So, let's see what we can do. I wasn't even recording. You got to be kidding me. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Well, I just caught another fish. I was trying to hook something in the water that was swimming. I couldn't tell what it was. But so I threw a Swansea swimmer out there so I could like hook it or something. And as soon as it hit the water, this bass just swallowed it and annihilated it. So what I'm gonna do is try to get this hook out and show y'all a little bit better. Okay, a little bit better look for y'all. Nice little bass. But let's put him in the aerator. His friend. No, I'll be good. Quit. Golly. Maybe 2-pounders and that is not going to work out too well. But yeah, I want to throw the sausage swimmer around on top water a little bit. See what we can do. Yeah, I'm gonna put the popper on here. You know what? I'm gonna put the hound, the Googling Squad hound, a little walking bait on here. A little walking bait action. Okay, I got a little gold rattle trap on here now. I'm just trying something a little different, trying to see if they want a moving bait, because it's been a standstill for like the past hour now. What I need to do is come through here and do some pond management or something. And just clean out some of these lily pads, because it's really just killing the pond, to be honest. And that's something we don't need. No, wow, look at the hawk, y'all. That's cool. don't know how good y'all can see that. I hope the GoPro could pick that up. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. We caught 3 bass, 2 we're keeping. We're gonna release down at Mr. Don's pond. So, wait, it ain't the end of the video. I'm gonna record that and show y'all too. But anyways, if y'all made it this far, put in the comments right now, what do y'all want to see me do next? You know, like some challenge videos. Say I go and do a $10 budget at Walmart or a $20. Like, comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. But let's get down to the pond to release these. Okay, we're here down at Mr. Don's pond. We got the 2 bass in here, and we're going to release them. But before we release them, if you hadn't said already, go follow me and all whatever, like and subscribe, whatever you want to do. Please do it. It helps me out a lot, and it's free to do. So let's release these guys. Let me roll my sleeve up real quick. Let's get that. Let's go with this one first. I know it. Oh, come on. I'm gonna put you some. See, that's what I've been having to deal with. So if I see one with a little lip like that, know who it is. Okay. You ready now, buddy? Huh? Trust me, he's alive. He ain't been in there that long. Come on, swim off. Don't make me dive in after you. We'll get him just a second. Maybe this one won't jump out of my hand. This one's a little bit littler. Did the other one go? No, he's still right there. We'll take him right here. Nice little 2-pounder. See. No, not yet, buddy. There you go. See, I might have to give him a little push. Let me turn my aerator off real quick. There we go. Let's give him a little push. All kind of bait over there. Okay, the little one just swam off. My GoPro battery died, of course. Let's try to get this guy into deep water. There we go. There he goes. Now here we will. He's got plenty of bait fish, and plus, have him a little bit closer to the house. I might catch him a couple more times. But yeah, this is the end of the video. If y'all kept track all the way to the end, comment. Let's see. Comment hook 2 in the comments below if you watch all the way to the very end. But I love y'all, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.